You're eating clean, you're sleeping well, so why is your gut still bloated, irregular or reactive? Because gut health isn't just what you feed it, it's what you feed it after. Your gut heals during the post-meal window. But if you snack too often, chew mindlessly or stress right after eating, you're interrupting the repair. Let your gut do its job. Support it, then step away. Comment below gut if your digestion feels off despite clean eating.